Welcome back to the Moral Science class 7. Today we'll start chapter 3, page number 15. The lesson number is Baiju Baba. Baiju Baba. Let's read about Baiju Baba. Pay attention. You follow my reading part and look at your own book. The first will begin with the good quotation. There is no work on earth nobler than that done by our teachers. So our teachers are the greatest part of the world. A true teacher is teaching nicely. So let's start. Yes, Baba. Ready? Smile, please. That's it. Perfect. Saying so, Samir pressed the button of the camera and captured Baiju Baba sitting under his favorite tree. Baba asked eagerly, "But what will you do with my photo, son?" Samir replied, "Ekalavya had learnt archery by practicing in front of the statue of Dronacharya." Please give the bracket. This is important. Will practice music in front of your photo. Baiju Baba felt pleased to hear this. He had not seen the boy for his keen desire to learn music. It was a memorable day for him because he had finally found a true disciple. Underline the word disciple. Next paragraph. Baiju Baba told Samir, "Your sincerely and devotion, your sincerity, underline, devotion, underline, has touched my heart. I will teach you music, but you will have to take permission from your parents first," really asked Samir jubilantly. "Don't worry about the permission. My parents will agree, I am sure." Saying so, Samir touched the feet of his teacher and then happily towards his home. Now the third paragraph. Samir had acquainted, underline the word acquainted. Samir had acquainted with Baba only recently. His family had shifted to the colony only a month ago. Baiju Baba lived under a tree outside the colony gates. He used to sing devotional songs in a melodious voice. Underline the word melodious. Melodious voice while playing an ektara. Ektara is a type of musical instrument. I will tell you some word meaning I will give you. A huge crowd, huge means a big crowd, gathered there. The Baiju Baba was singing and a huge crowd was gathered there. Now, each evening to listen to his son, he lived contentedly on whatever he got and offerings. When Samir had heard Baba for the first time, he was so impressed that he decided to learn music from him. At first, Baba refused, but seeing the devotion of the child, he agreed to teach him music. So for today, I will teach this much. Next day, I will finish the story. Only from your side, you will learn by heart this word meaning. Learn this word meaning, page number 14. From this chapter, listen carefully. From this chapter, exercise works are only word meaning, fill in the blanks and question answer. Apart from this, don't learn anything. Only try to learn the chapter. This story you finish on your own. Yes, one thing I will give you, HW, this page. HW, only the reading part, page 16. Up to this I have completed. CW, from here you just read the chapter. This side I will emphasize. Next day also I will explain the story. For today and after that you do your word meaning. I hope you all have understood. For today, bye bye. Take care. Don't worry, any problem, I will be with you for helping. And the Ekalabba story I will tell you in an activity and a new way. But listen, learn only word meaning, fill in the blanks, and question answer from this chapter. Apart from this, nothing else. Okay, so let's go back to the story. This is Baiju Baba. Read well, study well. Bye bye.